Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video of what I found on internet, what you can try to do and how to reconnect, disconnect the Shark robots to Wi-Fi. So before, this is something that was written already that was like really interesting. Before disconnecting your current Shark, go to the app and select Act Robot. After that, follow all the steps provided, and when you're finished setting up your robot on the same Wi-Fi, unsure if the next part is necessary but it worked for me, use the same name you gave your robot beforehand and add. So this is something that you want to do. The app will not add another robot to your account, but will simply just reconnect yours. So try it out, maybe this is going to work out and solve the issue. Another thing that you can try to do, this was also great, switch the internet router and modem and had to reset everything. For my vacuum, go into the app, leave your current vacuum on there and add a new robot, go through setup and pair with a new Wi-Fi. Instructions are on the app. After it saves, I name it the same as my current robot, and instead of adding a new device, it ended up just updating my current one. This is the same procedure, same schedule, same everything. Hope it works. So this is something that you can try to do and possibly is going to fix the issue for you. So that's pretty much it, and have a great day and goodbye.